I said, "Hey, how's your day been?" She said, "Oh, it was good until my dog got out." This one was definitely a doozy. So I received a call from this woman's daughter-in-law who was helping her sell the home. Funny enough, there was actually already somebody that they agreed to do business with. Nothing was signed, but they agreed to do some business with them. She was concerned with the offer. She said it just seemed like it was way too low. I confirmed that that was true. Not only was I able to beat the offer out, still be within what we needed to be at, I got them more money. When I showed up to the house because I wanted to meet them in person, I said, "Hey, how's your day been?" She said, "Oh, it was good until my dog got out." As I was driving there and I saw a dog running through the street, as soon as she said those words to me, it clicked right in my head. I said, "I know where your dog is. Let me go and get him." But I found the dog, got him back home. She was elated. Not only was I able to help her out with the sale of her home, we're going to help her buy her next property. Just another reason on why we could help somebody in any situation. It doesn't matter what it is. Reach out to us if you need it.